And here we are at a Praire Village rehab project, first day of ownership. I want to take you through a few items that we have noted that we're going to change. I want to focus on this big tree here. I don't try to take all big trees, but this one seems to be a problem. It's close to the house, causing some drainage issues that we'll look at in a minute. And I've got a bid on that. Believe it or not, a gentleman can take that down for $1,000, and we feel it's worth it. Staying on with the landscaping theme, we have 3 trees right here along the fence. We're going to remove these trees. They tend to hang over. They really don't bring anything to the house, and along this fence line we're going to take those 3 trees also and take them down to the stump. We're going to trim some of these trees that hang over the house. We're going to trim this big limb that's hanging over the neighbor's house and take that away also. There's a little bit of tree trimming to be done to get the trees off the house. Now we're on the west side, and that'll be accomplished.